Kiko has a fun game for you today. He's going to sort these colorful pastas into the right bowls. But he needs your help. Can you tell him if he's doing it right? Let's watch and help him. Kiko thinks this red pasta belongs in the red bowl. What do you think? Did he get it right? Oh no! Kiko seems a little unsure. He put the green pasta in the red bowl. Is that right? What do you say? Kiko heard your advice. He's moving the green pasta. Where should he put it? Can you help him? Kiko seems hungry and is eyeing the green pasta. Does he want to eat it? His one's tricky. Kiko isn't sure where to put the blue pasta. Should he pick the red bowl or the blue bowl? What do you think? Oh, look. Kiko's friend is here to help. He's putting the blue pasta in the blue bowl. Do you think he got it right? Great job, Kiko. He thinks he got it right this time. Is the yellow pasta in the correct bowl? What color should be the bowl? Can you help Kiko? Kiko couldn't have done it without your help. All the colorful pastas are in their proper bowls. You were amazing helpers. Should Kiko play another game like this with you next time?